Here I have a report that I created yesterday. I'm going to add a new page to it. So click on add a page. And now I'm going to add a table chart. So click on add a chart and pick table. Drop it anywhere you like. And here is your table. I'm going to expand it a bit. And it's showing me page titles and new users. I want acquisition channels and sessions. So head over to the data tab, and then where it says page title, click on it and type in acquisition. And here's your acquisition channel. Now you'll notice that there is an error. Why? Because new user metrics does not go along with acquisition channel. So I'm going to click on new user metric and change it to sessions. I'm going to scroll a bit where I find session and click on it. Now you'll notice the data is there. I'm going to create another table as it is. So I'm going to copy this, click on it, and Control C, or whatever equivalent you have on Mac, you can do that, and then Control V. Now I have a duplicate of that same table with same configuration. I'm going to move it over next to it. There you go. Click on this again, and now let's go ahead and add a filter to this chart. So scroll down where it says add a filter, click on it, and the filter window comes up. So let's call it no organic. And it applies to master view. And then I'm going to exclude where, so this is where you type in acquisition, channel, and then contains. And I can type in organic or just organic search, whatever you want. I'm going to just type in organic. And then click on save. Now organic search is gone from this particular table. However, it's still available here. In order to apply that filter to the whole page here, I will have to go to page, current page settings. And when you see a window like this basically is asking you set a default data source before you can do anything for this page. So I'm going to choose the same data source which we use for our report, which is master view. Click on it. And now I can add a filter. So click on add a filter. And I can pick the filter that I already created. I don't have to create a new filter. So click on no organic. And now you'll notice it got applied to both of these tables. However, if I go back to my page one, this data is not affected by that filter because we enable the filter only on the page level. In order to set the filter at the report level, I'm going to go to File, Report Settings. You have to do the same thing here. Select the default data source for the report. So click on it and click on Master View. Now you can apply a filter here as well. Notice these numbers here because these are about to change. So click on Add a Filter. Similarly, pick No Organic and you'll notice these numbers will change. Your map will change as well. So let's go ahead and click on No Organic. And as you'll notice, United States went from 29,000 to 19,000. Everything. So now we have applied the filter at the report level. When you apply a filter at the report level, you do not need the same report at the chart level. So let's go back and go to page 2 and let's go to page, current page settings, and I'm going to remove this filter from here. And if I remove that, the data should still not change because it's going to use the report filter. If you have these two filters, they both get applied to the data. So let's go ahead and remove the page level filter. By removing it, still nothing changed here. Similarly, you can go to this chart and remove the table level filter because the report level filter is still applied. So look at the sequence of these filters. So go ahead and click on it and nothing changed. So report level filter gets applied to all the charts in that reports on all the pages. That's how filters work. Go ahead and play with these filters because these are very important aspect of Data Studio. You're trying to get exactly this data that you want, and filters come in very handy because you can decide which page shows what kind of data, which chart shows what kind of data. All right, good luck.